it won't be long before I could do some feed. Not my feed, because my feed's quite well sorted, that is, I think. Yeah, not that feed, but I mean feed for the garden. And I tend to use Comfrey and sometimes Stinging Nettles. Stinging Nettles. Stinging Nettles are good, but they're not quite so balanced. They're more geared towards fast growth because they've got a lot of nitrogen in Stinging Nettles. And what I use is this butt that I've got literally buried in the ground so it can't blow away when it's empty. So if I just show you that, yeah, let's go the other way. So I've got this butt here, it's pretty nasty looking. And that is what I use for my mixing of my feed. At the moment you see it's a bit nasty and green because it's got loads of nasty, stinky comfrey in there. I say it's nasty. It's nasty in the sense that it smells when you first start doing it, but the smell tends to go after a while. And but it's a superb feed. It's very balanced. Yeah, so it's literally like John Inn's mix. The other way you can use, other things I use is the good old-fashioned Stinging Nettles. And most people have got these in their gardens, especially if you're a lazy gardener like me. And you just literally chop them off and put them in the water. And now what happens is the water literally extracts the goodness out of. But the Comfrey has started popping up in places. I did see some the other day, so I'm just going on a little bit of a hunt and see if I can find some again. And I can show you. So I did originally grow it from seed originally, but it being what it is, it can take over. It's quite prolific. You do need to keep control of it. And I'm just looking. I'm sure I saw some that started coming up. I know where there was some over here last year. That must be popping up somewhere. I'll do this video and then I don't have much luck in finding that. That's annoying, isn't it? Scropes. Everything's really waterlogged. There's a piece here that's starting to shoot up. We've got some in the ground. So it's only tiny at the moment. If I can get down here. So that there. That is Comfrey. So this stuff here, that grows as a purple flower in the summer. That'll stop. You don't want to allow it to seed because it goes everywhere. But there, that is Comfrey, and it's brilliant, and absolutely brilliant. And that isn't, as you know. See there, that is. That's it, but that is. So that here. So that is Comfrey. And it's great, you basically shove it in the water, leave it for 3 weeks, that'll stink like merry hell, but then you could put that 10-20% in your watering can and use that for your feed. Now, it's great. So if you respond and click like and subscribe, you're most appreciative. Thank you.